Wewe chunganeni na mtu ni mwizi. Na atawaibia.
Hapa chini ametoka kwa dirisha. Inaweka mkono. Nafasi.
Alafu kwa nipatie close up tafadhali. Shit, I'm feeling so.
Uko kwa hiyo gari? Mzee.
Wana jamaa.
Eh?
Wana jamaa.
What is going on in Kenya? Sio wana Kenya.
Wewe shika hii mama. Sawa. Unamjua? Wewe ngoja. Wewe ni nini wewe?
I was about 20 meters from the bus. So I just heard bang. When I look at the bus, some people are coming outside. One of them was a young man whom I thought he was one of them. So he was coming toward where I was standing. So I managed to arrest him together with the people. So they started stoning him. So I arrested him, and that's why we managed to take him to the Pangani police station. And this is why you can see the way I was trying to rescue him. I got some injury, and my car is there with a lot of blood.
Yes. Was he injured?
No, the guy who was beaten. Yes, he was injured seriously. He was beaten. Yes. The four of them ran away from the car, in the car.
What kind of
An explosive that exploded in a matatu. This is a PSV vehicle. What we have suffered as a result of that explosion, so far we have 18 people who are admitted, mainly in Kenyatta Hospital. There are 5 who have been confirmed dead. What I know, there could be others now, because as you can see, there are others who are just coming in who might have suffered from the same with the flying objects. And those are the ones now, maybe we shall give the correct figure when we visited various hospitals where we think these people are. They might have been brought earlier, yeah, and maybe given some timings. Because recently they have been doing some rehearsals, and I think they were doing sort of rehearsals, because we had 2 explosives that occurred within this place, and we were still studying the meaning, because it's something that happened in an open place. So I think those are the 2 areas or points maybe I can give. But with the experts here now who have started the investigations, I think they will give us the exactly what happened. But what I can confirm is it was a bomb and not a grenade. this is a bomb that was planted in this vehicle.
Ungeweka chini vizuri.
Chini kabisa.
Acha kutingiza. Ati moja?
Kwa wale wamekufa kwa hiyo nini?
Sawa.
Aliandika hivyo akiwa kwa uchungu ama?
Hii nafikiri alikuwa chache. Hizo message ameandika. A message.
What is it saying exactly? Anaitwa nani hiyo diary imeandikwa nani? Bana unaharibu wewe, unapeleka station gani wewe? Ngoja kwanza tupate picha bana.
Jangan dibilang